to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news. Hi everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here at the Shokz booth, joined by Fanyi Zeng. First of all, how has InfoComm treated you this year?
Well, it's really nice. We got a lot of visitors and we got a lot of exhibitors. So we are not only inspired by our visitors, but we are also inspired by everyone around here.
Absolutely. So you guys are a company that I've actually been following since the beginning of COVID. So I think since 2021 was when I started following you guys. Talk a little bit, because you guys started in headphones for like runners.
Yeah.
Talk
exactly.
a little bit about how you got into meeting room headsets, or like, hybrid meeting headsets.
Okay, well, first of all, our company was founded in 2004. So we got like a history of more than 20 years. And just like you have said, most of our customers are familiar with us because of our sports line, like the Open Run, Open Swim, and also some other products. And because as many of our customers know that we are very good at bone conduction technology, and that's also one of our most advantageous technology. So we begin to think that maybe we can expand our business into some other markets, and we found that in the professional communication market, there are very few players, like only Jabra, Poly, and Logitech, and this giant has taken up most of the market share. So we found it's nice if we can just join a new market and to make that more of our customers to enjoy our technology. And
Absolutely.
also we found that people in the meetings and in the office hybrid work, they cost for more comfortable and more natural communication headsets.
Absolutely.
So that's why we would like to give them, because making people to have the comfort and natural communication is what we would like to provide.
Talk a little bit, what exactly is bone conduction and how does it help?
Well, for bone conduction, so if we just take a look, I can just show you how to wear it. So, if you're wearing a bone conduction headset, your ear is totally open. So the sound goes through the cheekbones, and you can directly hear this. So you will not have to cover your ears. So your ears, there will be no like heat accumulation or like pressure buildup. So it will be nice and more comfortable for long time wear in the office, and especially during the back-to-back meetings.
Absolutely, because where my head typically starts to hurt is right on the top of my head and then right on my ears.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you take kind of like the pressure off of those typical pressure points.
Yes. Yeah.
And I can imagine that would help for people who, like me, are in meetings for 8 hours a day sometimes. And you kind of get like the fatigue from wearing it so long.
Yeah.
Does bone conduction kind of remove that fatigue?
Yes, absolutely. That is one of our like the selling point, I will say, and of course one of our biggest advantage, because we will largely reduce the physical fatigue because it will not cover your ears, so there won't be like heat accumulation or pressure buildup like what we have already talked. And also, if you can feel it like on your finger.
Yeah.
It's super light.
Yeah.
Easy
peasy.
Yeah, it weighs only like 77.9 grams.
Yeah.
So it's lighter than most of the headsets.
And most of my other ones are quite heavy.
Yeah,
so that's where
exactly,
more of the fatigue kind of comes in. So since you guys got your start in being like a headphone company for people listening to music, do you think that has kind of helped inform like how people wear these headsets? Because I can imagine they wear them during meetings, but sometimes like what about between the meeting? They want to keep them on to listen to their music. Like, is that something that you guys have thought about in the product design as well?
Yes, of course, because we actually design our product for the all-day comfort and the long-time wear. So just like you are talking about, we noticed that some of our customers, they were having back-to-back meetings. So sometimes they will have meetings and then back to their real world and talk to people around them. So that is exactly the advantage of our open ear design. So
Absolutely.
if you wear our headset, you will be able to stay online for your meetings, for your calls, but at the same time, you will stay aware of what is happening around you. So
Absolutely.
even when you are not having a meeting, you will be able to wear your headset and hear what others are talking. So you don't have to remove your headset and you remove your like hearing. So it's more like, I would call it like maybe your accessories, just like your earrings.
Yeah, absolutely. Very cool. So tell me a little bit about what customers are asking for now that you've been in the meeting room space for the past few years.
Well, I think most of our customers are absolutely asking for a more comfortable and more natural the headsets, of course, because we have heard some of our customers complain about the physical fatigue caused by the very heavy headsets. And also for our OpenMe2, actually we got our first generation and we got some customers saying that it's not stable enough. So we actually made a lot of improvement. So now we secure its stability on your head and also for your long time wear and long time comfort. And also we got some customers feedback saying that maybe some headsets is not compatible with your earrings, your glasses, and also for some of our customers, the hearing aids. But for our headset, it's perfectly compatible with them.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So what other meeting room trends are you guys kind of paying attention to since you're here at InfoComm looking at what's on the show floor? What is going to be an important trend that you are paying attention to?
Well, we actually want to trying to attract our customers' attention to future workplace because we believe that with the hybrid work involving more and more people will not just work in the office, they will do like the hybrid work and they will do like the corporation work. So we believe that as the headset for the first place, the aim of the headset is for communication. So we believe that with the development of the modern communication ways, we will make it more modern and make it more natural. So that is exactly what we would like to provide for our customers.
Wonderful. Well, Fanyi, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
My last question for you is where can people find more information on Shokz?
Well, actually, people can always go to our website. We got our website and where people can always apply for a demo and for a trial, and we are really happy to reach out to other customers. And also, you can also find us in Amazon and on some other websites.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. And don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2026 news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you.